fresh supplies before the frost withers everything. Perhaps you should take a little of the colt's foot. It might ease that cough. It's just the dust. How are you feeling? Better. A good night's sleep is all I needed. What happened at the Moonpool? You've been gone a long time. I fell asleep in the hollow. It's a hard journey to the Moonpool and you were already exhausted. But I should have come straight back after a vision like that. What? StarClan warns me that trouble is coming. What sort of trouble? They won't say exactly, but it's serious. There was a fire in the hollow. It was everywhere. Ragged Star said war was coming. War? What else did he say? That we must forget all of our allegiances and look after our clan alone. Forget all of our allegiances? Even our allegiances with the other medicine cats. That's never happened before. Even StarClan is divided now. We can't trust anyone but ourselves and our own ancestors. We must tell Blackstar.
Frost.
Yes.
Finish organizing the extra hunting patrols. I want the fresh kill pile full by sundown. Rowanclaw, come with me. You dreamed at the Moonpool.
A time of war is coming. StarClan divided into the 4 clans we know here. We must break all allegiances and look after ourselves.
But we have no allegiances.
Medicine cats share a code that crosses boundaries. Are you sure that's what your dream meant? Sage Whisker told me exactly what it meant. We can't simply turn our backs on the other medicine cats, not after countless moons of sharing trouble and help. I think that we should interpret this dream carefully. StarClan has warned us that trouble is coming, and we must be ready for it. But why must we destroy friendships that have seen us through the most difficult times? It is too soon to forget the great journey, or the role the medicine cats have played in helping all 4 clans to settle here.
I trust your judgment, Littlecloud. Thank you for traveling to the Moonpool and bringing back this warning. We are not so foolish as to sacrifice ourselves for another clan, but nor are we so stubborn that we'll ignore the help if we need it. Go and rest. Thank you again, Flametail. You must be exhausted. What's wrong? You had something else to say, didn't you?
I know what I saw at the Moonpool. I passed on the message I was given. Littlecloud's too attached to ThunderClan.
He's been a medicine cat for longer than you. It's not surprising he has friends in the other clans.
It's clouded his reason. A time of war is coming. Didn't any of you hear that? Ragged was clear about how we should deal with it. Why can't Littlecloud and Blackstar see that no clan will help us if it comes to a struggle for survival?
Don't underestimate Blackstar. He's no fool.
But he wasn't listening to me. He was listening to Littlecloud, and Littlecloud is too close to his medicine cat friends.
Don't worry. ShadowClan has always stood alone.
The warriors, maybe. But never the medicine cats. Something's happening inside StarClan. All the clans will be affected. This time, we cannot risk relying on anyone but ourselves.